Hi friends, welcome to my channel Abhi's Food Villa. This is me Abhi, and if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So today's recipe is an Orissa famous recipe which is the Amba Soda, or it is also called as the Katamita Aam Papad recipe. So from this video, let's have a like targets. For this video, the target is 50 likes. I know you can do this. So let's get into the preparation. So firstly here I'm taking 250 grams of aam papad and I have chopped them into cubes. Next we are taking 100 grams of jaggery. So firstly take a pan and into it we'll be adding the 100 grams of jaggery. Next we are adding a very little amount of water and just mix it well on a medium to low flame, that is caramelize it on a medium to low flame. So once the jaggery is perfectly caramelized, we'll be adding some jeera powder. Make sure you're adding a fresh jeera powder because that tastes good. And next we are adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Next we are adding salt as per the taste, that is I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. So mix all the dry masalas well. Next, we'll be adding the diced aam papad. So, guys, this aam papad, the Katamita aam papad, it is so yummy. You can enjoy it as it is, or you can enjoy this with roti, rice, chapatis, or tiffins too. Preparation is super easy, and you can store this for a good week or 2 weeks on a airtight container. Next, we'll be adding some handful of cashews. So mix everything well. Guys, this is a must try recipe because it is super easy and quick also. So at the last here, I'm adding some hing powder and mix everything well, and you can turn off the flame because your kata meeta aam papad recipe is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with your friends and family. And if you like the recipe of this Katamita Aam Papad, please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new video on my channel. So this is me Abhi signing off for now. See you guys in my next video. Till then, happy cooking. Bye bye.